Permits features include inspections with unannounced inspector arrival. Agencies can now configure permit and business license inspections by type to be hidden from public user view in the application until the inspector has submitted the results. In this example, the agency makes health and safety inspections unannounced. The unannounced field indicates whether an inspection is hidden from applicant or contact view. Agency staff can see which inspection types are unannounced on the inspection request page, in the agency's view of inspection details, and in the application details. This example shows the scheduled unannounced inspection on the agency's view of inspections for a business license transaction. The applicant and contacts with application access can't see the health and safety inspection in their inspections list. They also don't receive communications for unannounced inspections, so they don't know when the inspection is about to take place. Once the inspector provides the results, the applicant can see the inspection details and results. If the inspection fails, agency staff can schedule a re-inspection, which is also unannounced. Public users can't request unannounced inspections or re-inspections. This completes the feature description for permits. Code enforcement features include Redwood experience for the public user in the code enforcement flow and code enforcement hearing agenda report. Code enforcement pages now use the Redwood user interface with a new layout and color scheme for registered public users to report, track, and resolve issues. Use these Redwood style pages to select an issue type, enter the location, describe the issue, and add the contact detail before submitting the report. Turn on the Hide My Contact Information switch if you want to hide your identity. Note the issue number for future reference. Public users can use this issue number to search for and track the reported incident's progress from the Issues page. New color-coded badges display the status of the incidents. Click a row to view the details for that incident. Review the progress of the incident on the Details page. The address hyperlink opens the map view of the location in a drawer. The My Cases page lists the cases you have access to. To get access to a new case, submit a request to the agency using the Request Access button. Access the case detail page to request an appeal for the citation, pay the citation fee, and attach documents. The code hyperlink at the bottom of the page opens the violation details in a new drawer. Here are the appeal and code enforcement payment pages with the new look. Agencies now have a BIP report template to capture the code enforcement hearing agenda report. A sample report is available in the report list. This completes the feature descriptions for code enforcement. Business licenses features include pending inspection creation due to business location change and audit history for businesses. Pending business license inspections can be automatically created when the updated business location falls within the agency's jurisdiction. In this example, the business location on this application is outside of the agency jurisdiction and there aren't any inspections. In the business record, the agency staff turns on the switch to indicate that the business is physically located within the agency's jurisdiction and selects the business address. The system then automatically creates inspections in a pending status for all in-process business license transactions associated with the selected business location. The Business Page Audit History tab now uses the new Redwood user interface. Use the search bar to filter the data and click column headers to sort. At the bottom, there are separate tabs for business, owners, and location data. This completes the feature descriptions for business licenses. Common permitting and licensing features include enforcement of required documents, BIP report for application duration and status, and fee due date in communication events. The permitting and licensing system now enforces required documents, helping agencies to control when information is needed throughout the application process. The agency can require each document category or category and subcategory pair at several different application steps or events. For example, this agency requires a certificate and blueprints before applications using this document group can be submitted. Agency staff with permissions can also upload documents or override the requirements. Here, the required documents have been uploaded on an intake form. After submittal, you can see them in the application details on the attachments page. More documents are required before this application can be accepted. In this example, there are different subcategories of certifications needed. When agency staff tries to accept the application without uploading the documents or overriding the requirement, the system displays an error about the missing documents. The Health Metrics VIP report helps customers identify potential blockages throughout their agency-defined end-to-end application lifecycle. The embedded graphs illustrate the trends in the underlying changes in the metrics, backlog trends, applications in and out, the average duration trend, and the closure duration trend. Agencies can now configure communication events to display the payment due date along with the assessed fee. This completes the feature descriptions for common permitting and licensing. We've only shown you the highlights of the public sector permitting and licensing update. For more information, see the What's New document on Oracle Cloud Readiness.